Welding hacks, episode 2, because I can. I have created a dual electrode holder. Because if you try to put them in the stinger, maybe you can, but the stinger jaws have like sloped brass pieces or what have you in there. So you can't clamp them both flat. So out of curiosity, I TIG welded 2 of those wire clamp thingies on there. Forget their technical name. Have a decent view. I don't know. I like a piece of flat metal, but I'm lacking in that. Oh boy, 115 amps, 8-inch millet. These are 8-inch diameter. Let's try 120. No telling how this is gonna go. Running at DCEP. It's Cowler 7018. This is cursed. Oh my word. That's weird. Maybe it can't do 2. Whee! Well, oh well. You know, I didn't think it was tacked on there very well after all. Problem being, these are like galvanized steel, and I didn't really clean them off. And then tried to TIG weld them on, had a bunch of impurities blasting off. Not a good idea. But from the 5 seconds of me trying that, it would appear you cannot weld 2. One will arc and the other will arc. But not both. But I wouldn't say that's totally conclusive yet. Yay. But no, this is totally ridiculous. Thing is, I am positive you can weld with 2 electrodes. And I need a ventilation fan. Oh boy, smoky in here. See, this is what happens. You try to put 2 in, it slides around. I'm sure somebody else has done it on YouTube. I'm not the only one. All they about that out the front, you don't want to weld like that. That's stupid. Right? Yeah, it is. Leaving it just as weird as when you started. I'm going to try 115 amps on. These are 3/32, the other one was 8-inch. This is weird. That was something. I don't know where my wire brush is. The arc tends to bounce back and forth between one electrode or the other, not both of them at the same time. And you can see it was doing both at the same time, but it wasn't very consistent. Oh, 2 3/32 electrodes out the end of the stinger. You got a bead that's as wide as an 1/8 inch with a partial weave. Although I wouldn't say this is convenient in your day-to-day process. It's more of just a experimental kind of thing. My original design would have been adjustable. 2 electrode holders are adjustable and slide back and forth and have multiple sizes and diameters. Yeah, it's interesting, but I'm not sure how much further down the rabbit hole welding these 2 electrodes you need to go. I'm sure just for the fact of trying it, there's people out there a whole lot better at just doing it than me. But since that's not my main thing that I'm going to be doing here, I'm out here to practice for things. Messing around was part of the process, I suppose, but yeah, that's possible.